Navnet mitt er Hallgrim Hjelmbrekke og instituttleder på Institutt for bygg og energiteknikk på OsloMet. Vi er en del av fakultetet som heter Fakultet for teknologi, kunst og design, som har fem institutt pluss en sideorganisasjon, totalt ca. 4200 studenter. Så har det OsloMet alltid stort sett vært en sånn, stort sett i mitt hode i alle fall, drevet med lærerutdanning og sykepleie, men der er det da en endring, og da viser jo også det studenttallet som vi har totalt sett på vårt fakultet. Og så er det sånn at vårt institutt, Jian er førsteamanuensis og er leder for byggprogrammet, og vi har også med oss professor Jon Øst, som leder en satsing på smart mobilitet og urban analytics, som det heter på halvveis norsk. Det skal vi komme tilbake til. Men vår og min oppgave i RR, det er jo å utvikle det her instituttet til det som vi oppfatter er behovet i markedet, både i forhold til studenter fra vår region som ønsker en større bredde på teknologiutdannelse nært seg selv. Veldig mange vil allikevel til Trondheim, så jeg tror ikke det er noe konkurranse i den betydning for NTNU. At det vil gi økonomiske utslag, det at vi driver ypper oss litt og erter igjen litt. Men poenget er å dekke både behovet som er i industrien og offentlig forvaltning for nye gode kandidater, og også tilfredsstille vårt nærområde med en bredde i programmet. Så har vår målsetting er å utvikle et program, altså et institutt, som skal betjene det bygde miljø i en bred og vid forstand. Det vil si at vi skal ha alle tradisjonelle byggfag og pluss energi og teknikk som definerer det som ser bygningsmessig. Så vil vi også ha med oss infrastruktur, og det skal Jian snakke litt om senere, som er også en del av det bygde miljøet, absolutt, og det er en sammenheng også mellom mobilitet og bygg. I tillegg så jobber vi med å få på plass det siste utvidelsen, som er vann og miljø, som også er en del av den samme problematikken, det bygde miljø. Og det viktige, det som vi håper er veldig riktig, det er at vi også, til tross for at vi er et teknologi- og ingeniørtungt institutt, så ønsker vi også å koble på en annen kompetanse som forholder seg til det, i begrepet byutvikling, eller urban analyse og smart mobilitet, hvor vi har en annen kompetanse som setter hele det bygde miljøet i et system. Men vi kan komme tilbake til det. Så det var egentlig det eneste jeg skulle si, bortsett ifra at vi er veldig fornøyd med at vi nå i høst har fått godkjent spesialisering av infrastruktur internt på OsloMet, og også har fått godkjent etableringen av masterprogrammet i smart mobilitet og urban analytics. De programmene vi har på master, de er stort sett internasjonalt, og derfor vil presentasjonen til Jian bli på engelsk, men det er vi godt vant til alle sammen, så vi tåler det. Så Jian, let's go.
Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry I have to take this in English because I'm still in the process of learning Norwegian. Let me put up my slides. See this one. Yes. Okay. I believe you can see my slides now. The topic I'm going to present is regarding smart infrastructure and mobility. And that's the two efforts we are developing at the moment. And I will quickly go through the study programs we have and the major changes we are making now. After that, I will present some activities involving students in the transport sector, both with those established and also this we really desire at the moment. So as Hallgrim mentioned, we are the Department of Civil Engineering and Energy Technology. And these are the numbers we have earlier this year. And now we have some changes, but we haven't haven't updated the numbers yet, but the numbers are increasing at the moment. So at the Bachelor of Energy and Environment, we have a total of 150 students. On the civil engineering side, we have more students. And similarly, we have the master's program in both energy and the environment, as well as the civil engineering track. But more specifically, it is on the structural engineering and the building technology. And by the way, this master program is the international program we have at the department. We also have AVU, continuing education programs, courses at our department, and one of them is very much related to transport engineering and traffic management. So this summarizes the current programs in the civil engineering track, as well as the major changes we are making now. So under the big engineer bachelor degree program, we have two study directions. One is construction technique, and the other is techniques plan lagging. And after these studies, the student can continue their master degree study with us. And we also have two specializations in the program. One is structural engineering, and the other one is building technology, as the name implies. And what we are making changes for the next academic year is that at the bachelor level, we are splitting the techniques plan lagging into two study directions. One is bygg or transport plan lagging, that is very related to the road, railway engineering, as well as urban development. And the other study direction is the water and environmental engineering, or media technique. Also for the master's degree program, we are introducing a new specialization, that is transport infrastructure engineering. And this is very much inspired by the National Transport Plan for more and more intelligent transport systems to be implemented, new infrastructure system to be paved, as well as for the taking good care of those existing infrastructure systems we have. Similarly, we have another new master's degree program, also international one, to be implemented from next academic year. That is smart mobility and urban analytics. And maybe you want to say some words regarding this development?
Thank you, Jian. Yes, if I even may, can I share the screen very shortly, so I can show very shortly what the new program will teach. Hi everyone. So
Men du kan snakke norsk, Jon.
Ja, det kan jag göra. Jag kan snacka norsk. Eller svorsk. Ja, blir det. Ja. Svensk-norsk. Så att den nya mastern i smart mobilitet och urban eller byanalys kommer ju då, vad ska ni se, ha naturligtvis 4 olika terminer. Men den kommer ha, som ni ser, ett ganska stort inslag mot transportpolicy och management. Och också mot en hel del, vad ska jag säga, statistisk och matematisk och computer science orientation, men också, vad ska jag säga, planläggning. En av de stora huvudfrågorna i den här undervisningen är att se till att vi får en bra koppling mellan planering av transport och planering av de urbana miljöerna med människor i centrum, och komma undan den risken att man planerar för transport och att man planerar för staden utan egentligen att integrera de här 2 olika systemen. Samtidigt som vi gör det med en stark vinkling mot det IT och den framväxande smarthet, om uttrycket tillåts, som kommer att ske. Så det blir en ganska stark fokus på computer-driven och data-driven undervisning, men också väldigt mycket just för att koppla ihop och sätta människan i centrum i de här sakerna. Som ni ser på kurserna så blir det mycket med förhållanden om vad ska jag säga, mobilitetsfrågor, smart cities och så vidare. Så vi hoppas och tror att det kommer bli en väldigt intressant kurs. Jag slutar delningen där. Så, tack Jan. Please take over from here.
Yeah.
Just wanted to show that slide.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, and from the following year, which is academic year 2023 and 2024, we are planning to implement another new international master's degree program of water and environmental engineering. So it's a further continuation based on the one or media technique student, what do you call it, the studieretning. Yeah. Yes, and this is the main changes we are implementing at the moment. And for the students' collaboration in the transport sector, we already have some established collaborations with different partners. And here I summarize those based on course-based and those with project or thesis. So for the course-based, what we already have are those courses under the techniques planlegging study direction. We have the technique, where we have teachers from Badanu, and also we organize excursions, 2 excursions in this course. And we also have geomatic or Y planlegging, where we have lectures inviting experts from Rainbow. And we also have AVU courses contributed by external teachers, as well as internal teachers. Also, we are collaborating with different partners in various research topics in project form or in the thesis form. We have a collaboration with Badanu on different bachelor and master thesis, and we also have Badanu financed research project on smart health monitoring of railway bridges, where a postdoc was involved in this project. We also have different research topics in collaboration with Rainbow on traffic management, and we have a Utforsk project financed by DIKU on the smart, sustainable metropolitan transport. And we are planning some collaborations with Statens Vegvesen on transport infrastructures, mainly involving floating bridges development, and also on the pavement condition inspection. Yes, and the last one is currently under discussion at the moment. Well, for the desired collaborations, we are actually very open. For those existing courses, we, for example, geotechnique or Y-bygging, we want to have more case assignments from different partners in the transport sector. And this can be used to enhance the learning process of the students. As I presented earlier, we are in the stage of developing a new specialization in smart infrastructure specialization, as well as smart mobility and urban analytics. That is a totally new international master's degree program. So there are many different topics we are working on at the moment, and we are very open to collaborations with industry, with public sector, and with institutions of higher learning on various forms of teaching, for example, guest lectures, case assignments, and also excursions, etc. So here I just list some of the key courses involved, especially in the related to the transport sector. For example, pavement design, railway engineering, smart infrastructure systems, project management, intelligent transport systems, and probably there are also some new courses which are very relevant from the SMUA program, maybe GIS, or maybe you could just come in and see a few words if you want.
Absolutely, thank you, Jian. Yes, GIS, of course, and spatial analytics will be the tools that will be highly used and trained for these students. They will have a good knowledge about how to implement these techniques. But I also foresee a lot of collaboration when it comes to human-oriented things and putting the human in these. So questions relating to optimum accessibility estimations and also in terms of social cost and cost benefit analysis of localization of various kinds of transport and urban planning initiatives. So these things where we're going more into the planned and the planning and the needs, I think also would be of high interest.
Yes, thank you, Yun.
Thank you.
And other than this course development, we are also looking for collaboration projects and also thesis related to the bachelor and the master programs, as well as PhD, of course. And this can be various research topics and data related to transport infrastructures, intelligent transport systems, and urban systems. And we do believe that this can help us in a way strengthen the academic environment and also bring up more solid collaborations with different sectors, different partners, as well as bring in the research-based education, which is very important, not only for us as educators, but also for the students. When they graduate, they will be equipped with international standards of competence, and they can use this competence when they start working in the industry or in the different sectors. Yes, as I mentioned earlier, because we are at the moment developing all these courses, so we are very open to different forms of collaborations, and all are welcome. That's the end of my presentation. If there are any words from Yun or from Hallgrim, please do so.